Hey guys, it's Jones with poolwarehouse.com, and today we're looking at some in-pool or out-of-pool tanning chairs. Now everybody is falling in love with these chairs that can go in your pool. So if you have a pool that has a tanning shelf or a tanning ledge, these are the perfect type of chairs. Now there's a lot of different brands out there. This particular set is from Global Pool Products. I want to give you a couple of the features and specs on these and tell you what we like about this set. Now for starters, they're easy to get in and out of the pool. A lot of these chairs you have to fill up with water, and that's what holds it in the pool. Now these chairs are rated for 10 inches of water, and they have a ballast underneath. So that ballast, let me flip this over, that ballast is zip tied underneath the chair. And what that does is that helps it stay down in the water so you don't have to fill it with water. And when you're pulling it back out, any water that's on the inside just comes right out. So it's a lot easier to get this chair out of the pool. It weighs in at about 65 pounds, so you may need help, but I do like that you don't have to fill it with water. Now this is a UV resistant chair, and I believe it does have a deep water version. James, how deep is a deep water version?
A deep water kit goes from 10 to 16 inches.
So you can get a deep water kit that will take this to 16 inches of water, but most folks are okay with 10. Now it does have a really nice drain hole in the middle. That way if you get pollen in there that's setting or a water puddle, it'll just drain right through the middle. And it's actually really comfortable. We'll put one in the pool in a minute and show you how that works. Now it does have a cool feature. We don't have it here today, but there's a table that attaches right on the side, and that table lets you put a drink or your phone or something else right there beside you, and it's attached to the chair. I really do like that. Now it comes in different colors. I think sandstone is a color, there's a gray granite color, there's potentially a blue color, there's obviously white, so there's several different colors you can pick from, but this is a interesting design. I do like the idea that you don't have to fill it with water to put it in your pool. We're gonna go ahead and throw it in and see how that actually works. Stay tuned, we're gonna check it out. Hey guys, we've got the chair in the pool now, and it looks great. I can't say anything negative about it. Now this tanning shelf is about 12 inches deep. As I mentioned earlier, this is rated for 10 inches of water. So if your tanning ledge is a little bit deeper, you may wanna consider getting that riser that brings it out of the water a little bit. But even with 12 inches, that ballast in the back has it seated firmly on the tanning shelf. It does want to pop up a little bit in the front, but I think that's mainly because we're in 12 inches of water. I can't see anything negative about the chair. What I will tell you that I think is really neat, this chair is made by Global Pool Products, but so is the handrail that's right next to it. So if you want a handrail and an in-pool tanning chair, check out Global Pool Products on both. If you have questions, feel free to give us a call or visit us online at poolwarehouse.com.